Hello everybody, this is Chris from Retro Addicts, and this is kind of a down and dirty review of this little toy here, designed for basically playing video games. And this thing is called a RG280M, and it's I think it's from Anbernic, or you can see right there. Give it a minute for it to check. Now my setup here is not the best. That's why I say it's down and dirty. So there we go, right there. All right. So yeah, this is what the case looks like. It was done really quite well. It's nice, and it's about as good as like getting from an iPhone, really. And you can kind of see this here. So let me get this focused. There you go. Now you can kind of do a now you can kind of see everything right there, easy. And it's made in China, but don't let that discourage you. A lot of Chinese products are quite good, and this is one of them. This thing here cost, I got it for just under $80, and this is a metal case, so you can take a pretty good beating with it. And it's got the glass here is tempered, so like I said, it's pretty tough. And what's even crazier is it already has a bunch of ROMs already. So pretty much once you buy this thing, you're ready to play. And a lot of the games you get here right off the bat are a lot of games that I enjoy the most. All right, so excuse the camera stuff I'm doing here. It's about the best as it's gonna be, but it should be enough to give you an idea what you think about it. Now keep this in mind that my camera is not the best that's not the best kind of camera out there, so that I'm using for this. So here it would look quite worse than it really is. It's actually quite sharp, the video. So anyway, like I said, it already comes, if you look down here in the bottom, you've got a little trans flash card here, and then you got another one there, but that's taped on, and that's for the operating system. Now they use Linux. I don't know what Linux exactly though, but it is Linux. And you can actually go through the back end of this and do all kinds of stuff with it. It's even got you can see here, it's even got the terminal and all that. So pretty cool that it has that capability. So it comes with these games here, right? These are just some, I don't know, free games that you can find, I guess. And then the emulation, they give you what? 32 gig of ROMs, and then they put the trans flash card in here. So, and I gotta say, it's loaded pretty. It's got a lot. So let's go and kind of take a little bit look here. And remember, like I said, it's not the best video that I'm giving here, but this is just kind of gives you an idea what's up. So this also has it has basically every console that most people enjoyed, even as DOSBox, which, like, wow. Now you might not know what some of these are. Like, you can see what they are by just their, by the icons, but you wouldn't know that exactly. But it does tell you in the bottom here. It'll say like NES, Famicom here, So let's start off with. I'm not going to do every single not every single console here, but I'll do Nintendo just to kind of give you an idea. We all know what Nintendo sounds like. So, and this comes up pretty fast. I just want to give you an idea of what this can do based on the games that it can do. Oh, and another thing about this is it is wireless. It's Wi-Fi. It has Wi-Fi built in, so you can actually make this where you don't have to move cables in here to add more stuff. You can literally use the Wi-Fi, which is insane. Okay, so let's turn up the volume a little bit. Genesis. Sony. Here we go. So let's get a Sony video game in here. And then, so it comes with, and I'm just surprised that this happened, but they actually have Marvel vs. Capcom. One of my most favorite fighting games. So yeah, we'll go and I played this yesterday. Look how sharp that is. Now again, through my camera it looks like not so good, but when you see it yourself, personally, you're like, wow, this is damn sexy is what it is. So look at that. Just like Sony PlayStation, man, they have the little loading. That's loud though, right? It's not now it's at full power sound. Look how loud this is. Seriously. I mean, this is loud. I'm gonna have to turn this thing down. This thing's really, really loud. Okay. So yeah, now I'm actually having fun here. So now I'm having fun here. So yeah. So let's go ahead and bring this back a little bit, and then I want you to kind of see the different how big this is compared to like say my cell phone. I want you guys to have a scale here of I want you to have the scale of how tall this is. So let me pause this for a second. I'll be back. All right, so I got it. So I kept the game on here, right? And I want to give you some scale how big this thing is. So that's a mouse, and that is my cell phone. So yeah, this cell phone is bigger than my little game console here. My portable. This is all metal, and again the glass is tempered, so they want this to live forever, I guess, man.